Hi friends, Happy New Year to one and all. Do you know what this word is? This word of French origin is quite commonly used but very often mispronounced. It is pronounced as genre. No, it is genre. Just listen how that first sound is being pronounced. See, take for example, Shas and Shu. How do you pronounce that? Using the tip of your tongue. Shas and Shu. Whereas, ja as in vision, measure, pleasure, genre. That's it. Genre. What does it stand for? This stands for a category or categories. For example, categories of books, fiction, non-fiction, biography, etc. and etc. So, different categories are meant for this word genre of books. So, that's it. Bye-bye. Thank you.